So today we are starting a very beautiful topic in English grammar. Tell me first, what do we actually mean by parts of speech?
Parts of speech are the different kinds of classes into which words are divided. This division is based on their use, that is, the work they do in a sentence.
So a word is not judged by its spelling, but by its function in a sentence.
Exactly. The same word can belong to different parts of speech depending on how it is used.
Alright, how many parts of the speech are there in a traditional grammar?
There are 8 parts of speech: noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Let's begin with the first one, the noun. What is a noun?
A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing.
Can you explain this with examples?
Of course, Akbar was a great king. Here, Akbar is the name of a person, so it is a noun. Kolkata is on the Hooghly. Kolkata is the name of a place, and Hooghly is the name of a river. Both are nouns.
What about things that we can see around us?
Those are also nouns. The rose smells sweet. Rose is a noun. The sun shines bright. Sun is a noun.
In this sentence, his courage won him honor. Courage and honor are not physical things. Are they still nouns?
Yes, because the word thing includes 2 kinds. First, objects we can see, hear, taste, touch or smell. Second, things we can think of, but we cannot perceive through the senses, like courage, honesty, beauty or honor.
Alright, now let's move to the next part of speech, adjective. What is an adjective?
An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, he is a brave boy. Here, brave tells us more about the boy. So, brave is an adjective. There are 20 boys in this class. 20 tells us how many boys. So, 20 is also an adjective.
Next comes pronoun. What exactly does a pronoun do?
A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Like in this sentence, Harry is absent because he is ill. He is used instead of Harry. So, he is a pronoun.
Now let's talk about the verb. What is a verb?
A verb is a word used to express an action or a state. For example, the girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Wrote shows action. And in this sentence, Kolkata is a big city. Is shows a state. Words like is, are also verbs.
Next is adverb, which students find confusing very often. What is an adverb?
An adverb adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Let's check examples. He worked the sum quickly. Quickly modifies the verb worked. This flower is very beautiful. Very modifies the adjective beautiful. She pronounced the word quite correctly. Quite modifies the adverb correctly.
Now, tell me about prepositions.
A preposition is a word used with a noun or pronoun to show its relation to something else. Like, there is a cow in the garden. The girl is fond of music. A fair little girl sat under a tree. In, of, under. All are prepositions.
Next is conjunction. What does it do?
A conjunction joins words or sentences. For example, Rama and Hari are cousins. 2 and 2 make 4. I ran fast but missed the train. Here we can see that and in the first sentence and, second sentence and in the third sentence but. These are conjunctions.
And the last one, interjection. What is that?
An interjection expresses a sudden feeling or emotion like, hurrah, we have won the game. Alas, she is dead.
Now one more point for learners.
Some modern grammars include determiners as a separate part of speech. Words like a, and, the, this, that, my, his, some, any are called determiners. But in traditional grammar, all determiners except a, and the are treated as adjectives.
And finally, this is very important rule. We cannot decide the part of the speech of a word unless we see it used in a sentence.
Absolutely. Look at the word after. They arrived soon after. Here, after is an adverb. They arrived after us. Here, after is a preposition. They arrived after we had left. Here, after is a conjunction.
So the same word can belong to different part of the speech depending on its use.
That's why context matters the most in grammar.
So don't memorize blindly. Understand how words work in sentences. That is the real key to mastering English grammar.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.